Yuanmei Beauty Apparatuses Co., Ltd. was established in 2008. Our production base on Hunan City and Shenzhen City, China, within total 22,000 square meter area, 200 workers and more than 100 pieces mechanical equipments. We are professional manufacturer of makeup brushes. Our main products include makeup brush sets and individual brushes, such as powder brushes, foundation brushes, kabuki brushes, retractable brushes, eyeshadow brushes and lip brushes. We are committed to producing high-end brushes. Almost of our products have been past reach in ROHs. Yuanmei's products have exported to more than 60 countries, especially American, UK, Germany, Turkey, Ireland, Spain, Thailand and so on. Yuanmei has nearly 14 years experience on OEM and ODM. For worldwide well-known cosmetics brands, we always provide high-quality brushes and competitive price, along with the efficient after-sale service and promote delivery time.